Good morning, everyone that's going to join this. I'm at Chase Bank right now. They put a hold overnight on my money. Luckily, I am smarter than their corporation, fictitious dead corporation, and I moved all my money out. They put a hold on $131, so they can suck that right out of the gate. All right? I am very excited for this because I get to uphold law, and I get to teach and educate other human beings about law. All right, let's get this audio going. I'm walking in right now. Oh, let's flip the camera around as well. All right, let's start audio. Good morning. I woke up this morning and this corporation put a hold on my money. Theft under law.
They said theft under law?
It is theft under law. You took my money. Yeah, well, you better get ready. They're going to learn too. I'm excited. I get to educate humans on the law. You're not interested. Oh, look at that. Take that as the record. You're not interested in law.
Are you recording?
I am recording and audio. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Lawful. Yeah, let's go. Under the Constitution of the United States of America, freedom of the press. This is the truth. You guys see all this? There's so many people on Facebook right now. You understand thousands of people follow me? They're all watching you right now. Good. I hope so. I'd like to talk to the head. Is this the head banker? No? Yes? Who are you on the phone with? The sheriff? You know you don't have to wear those masks. It's a mandate, which is not a law. You understand that? You're breathing in recycled air. Look, hiding over there. She won't even show her face. Yes, it's called theft by law. Theft. Oh, look, you have a customer. How come you're not helping your customer? That's under your legal definitions, under your corporation job. I think that was the head banker. Was that the head banker? What are you doing back there? Is the sheriff on his way? Oh, that is the head banker, isn't it? Are you the head banker, sir?
You are trespassing. You need to leave.
Nope. Trespassing. Notice her words. Trespassing. Totally different than trespass. Trespassing, not law. Theft, law. Law. Oh, look, you're helping this customer? But not me. Help the sheep. But when the lion demands notice and remedy, there is no remedy to be found in the United States of America, is there? I'll take all the way to the Supreme Court if I have to. I know all the laws. You all will fail. You will lose. They stole my property.
Let's talk about it outside.
I do not lawfully have to.
Well, here's the thing, okay? So this, even though it's a bank, right? It's still private property. So if somebody
Is this the United States of America,
Is this
sir?
the United States of America? Let me ask you this. Do you have a home that you live in?
I do.
Okay. If I showed up to your house and didn't want to leave, would that be wrong?
Okay, there's two definitions here, all right? And there's very big difference. I want you guys all to notice. This is a very big difference, and you're being recorded
That's fine.
on video and audio. Just letting you know. Putting it out there. All right, there's a very big difference between private and public. Okay?
See, this thing is still a private business.
This is a corporation, is it not? Which makes it public by law.
But it's still the
The
actual
Supreme
property-
Court will
the actual
uphold
property
everything I'm
is
telling you
private,
guys
and
right
if
now.
somebody doesn't want you here, you gotta go. Simple as that.
That is incorrect and unlawful. I'm speaking respectfully.
You are.
I have
appreciate
not
that. But you're
I have not committed a crime against any one man or woman. Do you understand that? Those are very important senses.
But now that the property manager is asking you to leave and you're not leaving, okay? So
And
now-
I have not gotten remedy, have I? They took they theft. They have committed a crime.
Here's the thing.
They have committed a crime.
That will be a civil issue you can sort out.
A civil issue?
With the business, you can have a civil issue there, okay? But right now, you are being
Right
asked to
now,
leave. They don't want you here.
I do not lawfully have to leave.
No, actually, see, here's the thing. Actually, you do.
What law? I'd like the law.
You're now trespassing. They
I
do
would
not
like-
want you here.
Trespassing is not a law. The word trespass is law. Do you guys understand that? You don't even know the laws. Is your supervisor on the way? Where's the sheriff?
The sheriff doesn't respond to this. This is actually, we're in Valparaiso.
The sheriff lawfully has to respond to this. I don't think you guys understand the
Well, here's the
Constitution.
thing. This is the city limits of Valparaiso. So city, we have jurisdiction. You're familiar with jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction, very right. Yes, indeed.
The sheriff.
Uh-huh. What is the jurisdiction of this land, the United States of America? You can call it whatever fictitious
Within
corporation
the United
names
States,
you
we're in the
want.
state of Indiana. In that state, we're in Porter County.
We're in the
And
United
county,
States.
We're in the city of Valparaiso. That's why the city of Valparaiso Police Department is here.
And-
I'm with you, man. I'm trying to work with you here, but I think there's a little bit of confusion. I know you say you know stuff, but I'm just trying to straighten things out. The sheriff's not going to.
I've studied all this for hours and hours. This is why I'm here, and this is why I'm happy to do this, because I now have a duty to explain, and I have a duty to educate you guys, because you guys are fellow man. This is why our country is where we're, this is why the world is why we're where we're at right now, because nobody knows this stuff. I do. I have a duty to explain this, elaborate, and educate fellow mans. Yes, all over $131. I know. Do you see this? See what's going to happen? Did you notice what she said when I got here? She said, "I don't care about the law." Do you notice that? That's paraphrasing. I don't know exactly the words that she stated. She says, "I do not care about law." That's what she said. I hope you're here to understand. You're not here to understand law? Is that what you just said? We're not here to understand law?
We're here to do our job. That's it.
Where's the sheriff or your supervisor?
He's coming. We're waiting.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, I apologize for the disruption.
You're apologizing for law?
Hey, can you do me a favor? They want you out now. Okay, I'm waiting.
I'm not going to do you a favor. I don't have to by law.
Okay, I'm just asking as
As a man, thank you, but I will not. I respectfully refuse. And that is my right under law to do so. Notice the words that I'm using. Thank you. I appreciate all of you guys, too. I appreciate you. You see this? You see what's going on? When facts and law are stated, they called the cops. It's law. You don't, I don't have to. Call the sheriff, please. I would like the sheriff that upholds law. Thank you. You guys like this stuff? Let me get a fit check. I'm just wearing, oh look, someone, probably the government, corporation's calling me right now, trying to interrupt this stream. Not gonna happen. You guys wanna see what I'm wearing right now? I'm just wearing a coat and jeans. All right, so his title is?
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant? Which means what? Above you guys?
Yep.
Boss?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, he's chief.
Okay. Chief of
Chief.
Valparaiso?
Yes, but he's lieutenant.
Well, hopefully he knows law. I doubt it, but we'll see. I have the United States Constitution, Bill of Rights, and Declaration of Independence in my pocket, if any of you need to see clearly stated as well.
Let me find out more.
Thank you very much, sir. I respect that. Why am I not being talked to? We gotta whisper and do corporation legal bullshit. Notice I said legal. Legal is not law. Two different things. If it's not spelled the same, it is not the same thing. I'm sorry you don't want to uphold law. Sorry, you have to.
Hello.
Yeah, what did I do? What was the hold? I would like all this information relayed to me instead of the officers. Thank you. Duly noted and stated.
Bottom line is, Matthew, because
I'm listening.
We're trying to work with you, but we're
I'm trying to be
fair, okay?
respectful, but you're not
And-
understanding law.
Okay, well, here's the thing. I'm telling you about the law right now.
Let's
you
hear
know
the law.
certain things. I'm telling you the law is private businesses, whether it was a Chase Bank or if I'm at private property like your house and I'm not wanting to leave.
Two different
you say-
things.
Here's the thing. it's still private property. They don't want you here.
It's incorrect.
You're now being asked to leave.
It's unlawful.
Okay?
I demand notice on remedy of why they took my money.
That'll be a
Your
civil.
money is in the bank. It's not going anywhere. They're not taking your money. It's still there. It's still in the account.
Yep. There's a whole
No, it's gone. It says 0.
No, you can address this another day. Today's not the day.
What do you
though.
mean?
Okay.
I'm not lawfully allowed to address this on any day that I choose?
You're now trespassing here. You have the opportunity to leave.
Incorrect.
If you do not leave, you're going to force our hand to arrest you.
What crime have I committed? Did you guys hear that? What crime have I committed?
You may leave. Go. You're free to go.
I may, but I do not have to. Notice his
No,
words?
no, actually, you do have to leave.
Nope.
You're being trespassed.
What crime have I committed?
Right now, you're committing trespass. You've been told you cannot be at this business. You're
What
being trespassed.
crime
You know
have
we're
I
not
committed?
having any interest here, so
What
we
crime?
just told you 5 times.
What crime under law have I committed?
We got other people who are here trying to do
And they're
business,
doing their
okay?
thing.
And
Am I
you're-
impeding them at
yes,
all? Nope.
you are. You're making it uncomfortable for people. You're being asked very politely. We've been very kind with you.
Uncomfortable.
explaining. The bottom line is, it's private property. You're disrupting the business. You got to go. Simple as that.
Incorrect. Under law, I do not.
Let's go. Let's go.
I would like to know why they took my money. That is a
There's a
crime.
hold on the account.
That
You
is a
can call-
crime
can
that
call
you
it.
guys have to lawfully uphold. Do you understand that? No, you don't. But we will educate. It's okay. That's why I'm here.
I'm going to ask you again.
You can keep
Matthew,
asking all you want.
Will you please leave?
Nope.
Go ahead, put your home down, put your hands behind your back.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
For what?
Bye. Have a great time.